Hey y'all, welcome to Shoshana XOX, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel, sis. I have missed you so much. Welcome to the family, to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all, all 1,140 of y'all. I am counting upwards, okay? So I wanted to show y'all this. Some of the best news I really ever got concerning my channel, which was your girl got her Google AdSense paper, y'all. Okay, let me tell y'all my story. And this is really motivational, so if I scramble, just bear with me because I promise y'all gonna be in tune. So 2015 is probably the year that I took YouTube serious. If you guys go down in my channel, you'll see I had makeup tutorials, I had hair tutorials, I was doing just all types of stuff to just get myself acquainted with YouTube, figure out what I wanted to do. But the real passion became when I first watched my first first YouTuber that I really enjoyed, and that was around 2010, 2011. So for about 3 to 4 years, I was just watching YouTube, just strictly just the people that I really did enjoy watching, and they really took the time out of their day to expose. You're just exposing your life, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta understand that's a lot for some people, and for me during that time, that was a lot for me as well. So fast forward to about 2015, like I said, I mustered up enough strength to really get in front of the camera and start basically practicing. Because y'all know that when you are first out of YouTube, you're going to be camera shy. You ain't going to know how to talk. You're not going to be yourself. It's just like it happened to me. Like so many videos, I was stiff. I was so worried about what you guys would think of me instead of me being my authentic self and showing you guys that this is who I am. Who are you? You know what I'm saying? Basically, we family, we friends. Y'all watch me. And I'm forever grateful. Okay. Because of y'all, I got this in the mail. So y'all, I got this in the mail. So milestones were made this year and last year during my YouTube journey. Like I said, since 2015, I've been uploading not many videos. I think even 2016, I stopped. Then 2017, I came and I was doing hair tutorials. And I'm remembering this off the top of my head. So if y'all go through my videos and see if I'm lying, my bad. But let me tell y'all something. I just remember making those videos, editing those videos, uploading those videos, having bubble guts. Like, the internet could be cruel. And that's what I think that was hindering me, because I was afraid of something. If I wasn't myself, then it was kind of okay, because I know regardless, I put on my best outfit that day. My best hair was done. My best makeup that I could do at that particular moment was done. So y'all basically see me get from there to here. Y'all watch me grow up. Oh my God. But anyway, so I got news that I was monetized this year. I want to say in about March, okay? Because you need some time for them to actually, approve your account, actually send out this letter. This letter takes probably about a month to get to you guys. To anyone who, is signing up for the partnership. And then you have to obviously make sure your YouTube account is where it's supposed to be in order to get monetized. And I finally hit that benchmark, y'all. Oh my God. When I got that news, and trust me, I was like, how did I get this? And I haven't even been uploading. It's all that previous work that I put in and really put myself out there. I was doing basement tours, y'all. I was just doing the most, and seeing y'all comments just throughout the year, and y'all still come and hit me up on Snapchat. Like, y'all hit me up wherever. Instagram, Snapchat, you know what I'm saying? Nope. I even had some people come to my email. So you guys really, y'all do y'all thing, and I appreciate it. So fast forward to today. I have not received my first YouTube check yet. When that comes, I gotta come back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. and really just show y'all the way we about to go on a lot of journeys this year, and y'all can come, because I'm over it. I'm over being shy. I'm over what y'all think. I'm over everything. So if you don't like me, just just leave. But if you do, even if you're a troll, just go ahead and comment down below. That's all I am. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.